Auto Axis. The 2026 Pontiac GTO is finally here, and it's making a bold statement in the performance car world. After years of anticipation, Pontiac is returning to its muscle car roots with a modern twist. The 2026 GTO is not just a nameplate revival, it's a performance revolution. The design is aggressive yet refined, blending retro cues with futuristic elements. It features a wide, low stance, LED lighting, a bold front grille, and sleek lines that give it an unmistakable road presence. The signature dual hood scoops and quad exhaust tips remind enthusiasts of its legendary heritage while bringing a fresh, modern edge to the table. Under the hood, the 2026 GTO is powered by a 6.6-liter twin-turbo V8 engine delivering a jaw-dropping 700 horsepower and 640 lb-ft of torque. It's paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, although a 6-speed manual option is available for purists. This beast rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds, placing it firmly in supercar territory. Pontiac has also included a track-focused performance package with upgraded Brembo brakes, adaptive magnetic suspension, and launch control, ensuring that the GTO performs as aggressively as it looks. Inside, the cabin is a fusion of modern tech and classic muscle car elements. Premium leather upholstery, carbon fiber trim, and a flat-bottom steering wheel give it a race-ready feel. The digital instrument cluster and a 12.3-inch infotainment screen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto offer a connected driving experience. Pontiac has also integrated a performance telemetry system that allows drivers to monitor track data, lap times, and G-forces in real time. The seats are aggressively bolstered but comfortable enough for daily driving, and there's even a surprising amount of trunk space for a car in this class. Safety and driver assistance features are also part of the package, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. While these might not be the first things buyers consider when shopping for a muscle car, their inclusion makes the GTO a viable option for both weekend thrills and weekday commutes. The 2026 Pontiac GTO is expected to start around $65,000, which is competitive given the performance it offers. Production will be limited, making this not just a powerful machine but also a collector's dream. Pontiac's return to form with the GTO is more than nostalgic, it's a powerful reminder of American performance at its best.